Old 98 Destin. I'm here today in Miramar Beach over at Pompano Joe's, and I'm going to be doing a beach walk with you today. Before we get started, check out the link in the description of this live video to 5stargolfrentals.com. It's a great place to check out different vacation rentals in the Destin, Miramar Beach, and 38 area, and then check out the blog on there too for fun things you can do when you're in town. And we'll just get into the beach walk. If you have any questions about visiting the area, feel free to drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it for you. Where are we right now? We are in Miramar Beach, Florida, which is right outside of Destin, and we are at the Pompano Joe's beach access. What kind of stabilizer am I using? I'm using a gimbal. I think it's called like something smooth. I don't know, the name isn't on it. Where are some good hotels to stay at? So there aren't too many hotels in the area. I actually recommend booking a condo or a vacation home instead. You're gonna get a lot more for your money if you do that. They've got so many condos in the area with lots of really great amenities, and they're bigger. So hotel wise, you know, we've got the standard like Motel 6, and there's like the Inn at Crystal Beach and Henderson Beach Inn, but we don't have too many hotels. We have mostly vacation rentals here. What temperature is it? It is 80 degrees. What color are the flags today? They are yellow and purple.
Pretty sweet.
Yeah. Our rip current's still present. I couldn't see any visible ones on my walk this morning, but haven't gotten down there yet to see right now. But there's just a yellow flag, so I'm guessing not. Do I ever get recognized on Facebook? I mean, on my walk by a Facebook follower? Yeah, it happens a lot. Almost every time. Or sometimes I can just tell that they know that they watch Old 98 because I'll like hear them and they won't come up to me, but they'll say it and I can hear them. But yeah. So if you know me and you see me and you're at the beach, come say hi. What seafood restaurant serve crab legs? So we're at Pompano Joe's right now, and I know they do. Also, Crab Trap obviously does. Harbor Docks. But yeah, I'm not positive on other ones. I don't eat crab legs myself. but those are some popular ones I know for sure. If you have any questions about flesh-eating bacteria, I'm going to tell you right now I'm not going to talk about it in this video because City of Destin has already come out and said that our beaches are safe and clean, and you can't actually catch it. Sorry, I was waiting for someone to stop shoveling sand. But you can't actually catch it. It's actually a result of not properly treating a typical everyday bacterial infection promptly and properly. So it's something that can really be prevented if you clean out your wounds. But yeah, if you have any questions about this, I've done a lot of research on it and I'd be happy to answer your questions, but I don't want to answer them in a live because people do watch these videos to relax and unwind. And I mean, I'm not the 6 o'clock news, so I don't want to scare people. So if you have questions, just send us a DM and I will get back and answer all of your questions. I'm glad you guys like watching the house tours. I'm going to try to do more. Hopefully in the off season I'll post more on here. I'm not doing too many right now just because the homes are all booked because it is peak season. So whenever I see a home that's open, I try to go over and film for you guys. But yeah, I'll definitely try to up the ante in the off season with those. What else is there to do in Miramar Beach? Okay, there's a lot of stuff to do in Miramar Beach. I really love going to Miramar Beach a lot. It's right next to Destin, if you're wondering where it is. But you can go to Baytown Wharf, which is in Miramar Beach, Sandestin. There's Grand Boulevard, which is a great place to go shopping. And like, there's tons of great restaurants over in Grand Boulevard too. Yeah, that's mainly, it's a little less touristy than Destin, but there's still plenty of stuff to do. I highly recommend checking out the Village of Baytown Wharf if you're over in Miramar Beach. It's a really fun little area with like lots of stuff for kids to do. Like they've got like a ropes course, zip lining, and then they've also got tons of cute little shops and dining places. So definitely check out Baytown Wharf if you're in the area. And then I would also recommend Grand Boulevard. They have a farmer's market every Saturday morning, and it's super cute. So yeah, those are some great things to do in the area. Are there restrictions on getting in the water? Okay, more questions about bacteria. If you've got questions about bacteria, just send me a DM and I will, or like send Old 98 a DM, and I will get back to you and answer all of your questions in detail. I will tell you that the city of Destin has already come out and said the water is safe and open to the public, so there are no restrictions on getting in the water. But if you have further questions, just send me a DM and I hope I can clear it all up for you. But people do watch these videos to relax, and I'm not trying to scare people for no reason. It's been really hyped up by the media more than it needs to be. So I can give you a straight scoop. If you just want to send me a DM, I can answer any of your questions individually. When does the water temperature start to get cooler? So it's still pretty warm throughout all of August. I would say it probably starts to get a little cooler around mid-September or beginning of October, but it's still like warm enough to go swimming in October. And even November I've gone swimming. My favorite pizza place. I'm the first person in the world to ask this because I'm allergic to gluten, like I have celiac and I'm allergic to eggs, so I haven't had pizza in forever, but a lot of people really love Pizza by the Sea. Over Buddy Nally's has a pizzeria over in Seaside, and I've heard great things about that. Yeah, so I have a pizza blog that I wrote about other people's favorite pizza places, and I will link that when I'm done filming this. But yeah, I don't know pizza. Best seafood place in the area. I don't know about the best because I haven't eaten at every single one, but my personal favorite is Lulu's, and it overlooks the bay. It's over by Destin Commons. And another good seafood place that people really like, and I think is pretty good too, is Harbor Docks. Pompano Joe's is where we are now. They've got great seafood. Crab Trap is another really popular one. Camille's over in Crystal Beach. So yeah, there's lots of really great seafood places in the area. I don't know can't speak for what the definitive best one is, but I really like Lulu's because of their allergy-friendly menu. A lot of places do have gluten-free pizza, and that's really awesome. Unfortunately, I am also allergic to eggs, so a lot of gluten-free pizzas still have eggs in them. So I got the double whammy. Car rental places nearby. There's one over by the airport. I forgot the name of it, but the airport's over in Valpy, which that's the Destin, like Fort Walton Beach Airport, and they have a car rental place over there. Are there events in the area during the holidays and Christmas? Yes, there are so many really great events around the holiday season, which is why I love to be in Destin in the holiday season, because it's still like warm outside. It's like 60s and 70s over the holidays, so you can like actually enjoy them without freezing. So we've got tons of Christmas markets all over 30A. I'm not sure exact dates yet because it's still a little early and I don't know if they've set their calendars, but a lot of the little beach towns on 30A will have their own Christmas market. There's the Festival of Lights, I think it's called, out in Grand Boulevard, and they just like light up tons of different Christmas trees and decorate that, and they're decorated by different like local companies and industries to raise money for charity. And then there's like the Christmas boat parade out on the Destin Harbor. There's the Christmas parade throughout Seaside. There are so many things. So it's a little early for me to write a holiday blog, but I'll write that soon once the calendar kind of gets set in the area. What time of year does the condo rates drop? The off season. So come September, October, November, most of December, well actually, okay, so like September through spring break is when you're gonna see the lowest rates, with the exception of the holidays. They go up a little bit over Christmas and Thanksgiving, but fall and winter, definitely the cheapest time to come. Are there usually just small waves like this? Yeah, this is pretty standard for what an everyday beach day looks like in Destin. The waves are usually pretty small. They usually don't get too big, which is great if you've got kids. tuning in. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this beach walk. Don't forget to check out 5-Star Golf Rentals if you're planning a trip to the area soon. It's a great place to look at different vacation homes in the area, and then check out the blog on there because I write all the blogs and it'll tell you fun things you can do in the area, places to eat and stuff like that. And I will see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.